Good teamwork.
And now it's time for the Sea Lion Splash. Hi, I'm Mrs. Reynolds. Hi, I'm Mr. Tulane. Welcome to the Sea Lion Splash. We're your principals of the day. Enjoy the show.
Larson to Tulane, can you read me? Yes. Larson to Reynolds, can you read me?
Yes.
Copy that, I hear you.
Hey McGaw, welcome to the week of the military child.
Thank you for your service.
And now, here are some McGaw parents that want to share what it's like to serve in the military.
Hello, my name is Boone Schaefer, and this is my daddy, Joey Schaefer, and he likes to drive boats.
Hi everybody, I'm Ben1 Schaefer. I've been in the Coast Guard for 20 years. I'm retiring in 3 months. The coolest thing I've done was rescue 30 people in the water at one time. Yeah, alrighty, thank you. Bye.
Hello, McGaw Sea Lions. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Sergeant First Class Alan Lizama, and I'm introducing Sebastian Lizama and Amelia Lizama. Unfortunately, they cannot be here with me today for obvious reasons. Sebastian, he is in the 1st grade with Ms. Garcia, and Amelia, she's in the CDC program with Ms. Shade. A little bit about myself here. I'm a Sergeant First Class in an infantry unit, currently serving overseas. That's a cool part of my job right now. Currently, I'm the senior logistician for the battalion, so I take care of all this equipment to make sure it gets inbound and outbound out of the country. I should be home sometime in September, so I can't wait to go home and go see you guys. A message for Sebastian and Amelia. Well, I love you and I miss you so very much. I want to let you guys know that I'm super proud of you. You guys have come a long way in this last few months. And please listen and be good to your mother. And I will see you all soon. Take care. Bye. Ciao.
And now, here are some sea lions sharing which branch of the military that their family serves. What branch of the military does your family serve in?
Navy. Marine. Army.
Army.
Navy.
Coast Guard.
Army. Navy.
Coast Guard. Army. Army.
Army.
Thank you for our service.
Go Marines. Coast Guard.
Army. Ramaga.
Navy.
Army. Coast Guard. Navy.
Navy.
It's a real honor to have all these people in the military and have them as classmates of the school.
Thank you for serving our country.
Get ready, Sea Lions, for this week's announcements.
Hello, it's Dada.
Roll sound. Sound production, take 2.
We have one big announcement. On Wednesday, we will be turning Mr. Lawson and Miss Wood into ice cream sundaes.
Yummy!
Remember on Thursday's open house, make sure you bring your family and have fun. Bye. Bye.
There you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.